You hear that? You hear that battery? It ain't supposed to be doing that. Look, that's the hole. Yeah, it's time to get her out. Get her out. Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is Sid, and you are rolling with me, Sid. So, today I have a video on replacing batteries for a Ram 3500 dually 6.7 Cummins. I have the batteries here. There's two batteries, one on the passenger side, one on the driver's side. The new battery is here, and the other new battery is there. So the problem that I was having was, a problem. Hold on, let me sit this over. So I was having a problem with the truck. So sometimes when I got rock lights under the truck, sometimes all the lights wouldn't come on. In the inside, when I turn on the interior lights, I would hit some of the buttons, and sometimes they would be dim. So I just thought it was like maybe the light bulb or something. So I kept driving. And then like I got speakers also in the truck with an amp. Sometimes it would come on and sometimes it wouldn't. So I did everything. Like I went to O'Reilly's to get both batteries checked. Every time they came, they were good. It said they were good. So I thought nothing of it. I was like, okay, all right. So I even changed the alternator because I was like, it's got to be something. So still the same, but every time I would drive the truck, the next morning I would have to jump it. I thought it was just because of the weather, because it's cold. And it was snowing and all that stuff. So I thought I was just, it was just the weather. But then I was like, that's not normal because none of my other cars do that. So either way, nothing to it. So the other day I was driving a truck, and as I was driving, everything was good. But my engine light came on and the truck started idling a little rough. So I was like, damn, like I know this, I'm not a Ram Dodge fan, but this is kind of annoying. Like, this truck shouldn't be like this. This is a Cummins. A Cummins should last forever, is what I'm hearing. So either way, I was getting frustrated with it. So, but when I got home and I set the truck down, I was just parked and it was idling because I was trying to figure out, like, why is it riding rough? So I looked and there was some steam coming from under the hood, and so I opened the hood. And the steam was coming from the actual battery. There's a hole on the other side that release air, so it was steaming out of the battery. So I was like, that ain't right. So long story short, I Googled it, and Google told me that the battery is probably cooked. And then I had my the odometer reading for the battery reading, it was going from 14 to 13. So I was like, that's kind of normal sometimes, I think. But either way, I just purchased two batteries, and I'm hoping that's going to fix the problem. So here we go. So I'm out here and I'm going to make a video, and I'm going to basically change the battery, and I'm going to show you guys what I'm doing. All right. So I'm going to start with this battery here. I'm gonna start with this one. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. Yeah, but I'm gonna start with that battery there, and I have the tools, and we're gonna go from there. I'm gonna take this negative top and put on the old battery so it won't connect. Got a 10 millimeter and a ratchet. So I have both of them disconnected. Now what I have to do is get this down here. Is a screw down here. sometimes it's good to work on your own stuff. Try to figure out your own stuff, because people will get over on you. Like I went to some car lots and there was car places and they were telling me, oh, it's this and it's this and it's this and it's gonna be such and such and such. I hate when people don't tell the truth. I don't do business with people when they do, like, when I figure out you're lying to me, I'll spend my money. I don't have a problem with that. But I ain't spending my money if you're trying to get over on me, like, with you ever. Like, even if I would never spend my money with you ever. If I figure out you lying to me and you telling a lie just for money, like money or something, or anything, that's done for you. I don't do that type of stuff, because I ain't gonna allow you to get over on you. You know what I'm saying? And mechanic shops do that all the time. They'll sit and they'll see you drive a Cadillac, or they'll see you drive a Porsche, they'll see you drive whatever, and they'll start calculating and adding your money up. And they'll be like, oh, if you can afford this, you can afford that. That's fucked up. Because you would have customer retention if you would just be honest and tell the truth. Ain't no need to allow for no money, because you're going to get more money in the outcome. Because if I'm constantly bringing my cars to you because I trust you, you're getting the money anyway. You're just getting it over time. But yeah, don't do that. Stop that shit. It's bullshit. So I got that one in. Now I have to just move to the other side and do the other side. So maybe you can see this side better. I don't know. And that smell is like, it smells like a egg, a rotten egg. It's good. Oh, that stinks. See, the steam was coming out of that battery over there, where that one that was out here. Now I see it coming out of this one. lot of work. So now I put both batteries in. Now I'm gonna get in and start her up. So let's take a look at these batteries. Look at it. Look like corrosion was on there. Definitely corrosion was there. Definitely here. So here we go. Good. Yep. Got rid of. That's it. So that concludes my video. I hope this helps someone, because it definitely helped me. Because yeah. So, but my side steps wasn't working either, but now they're back working. Thank you. See? Look, they're back working. Because I had to hop my big ass in there without them steps. Now that's the problem. But you guys like, comment, subscribe, click that notification bell, and I will see you guys in the next video. Until next time, you guys have a great 2026.